trapped in a 9-to-5 job that you hate? Are you trapped in a 9-to-5 job that you hate? Here is how to break free. Guys, do you hate your job but you feel that there's a way out? Hating your job but feeling like there is a nightmare too many people live daily. It's time to actually take control of your life, because working from home could be a route. So guys, if you're new to this channel, by all means, please introduce yourselves in the comments, telling random things around your house. Yes, you can either try to source more of the things that you feel will sell well, or you can buy trending products. Guys, open up eBay store. Yes, you can start one and turn it into a full-time business. Like I mentioned, random things they have around the house, or you can find a supplier. Yes, but make sure that you do your feasibility studies, find out what is selling. Yes, you can Moroccan argan oil, and guess what, you can import it from abroad and sell it on eBay and Facebook. Yes, Facebook Marketplace. So go ahead and find out what is trending and try to sell those things. Also try to find those items at a low price so that you can compete and still have a good profit margin. Guys, eBay has these items and duplicates what others are doing while you're on prices and good customer service. You can also try the opposite. Yes, you can find out what is rare and offer those items too. Guys, you will have a business in no time. Connections are everything. Find a niche that you're already familiar with and could work in without too much or extra education or research. Find out where people, so you know what you will do? Find out where people from that niche hang out. Not just the consumers, but mainly the producers, because you want to focus on them. Have a business with a focus on solving that issue and ask them to support you in the beginning stages. Guys, if you want to make real money, use your connections to become a problem solver by connecting with the people in need and with the people who can help them. Yes, take a small cut out of each work that you set up. Guys, this is one way to do this, and this is coming from a place of, because I really care about you guys. On this channel, you can't be watching these videos and still be broke. It's not possible. God forbid. And like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. Be careful with the shiny object syndrome. There are some exhibitions, like recently about an exhibition that occurred in a different country, and people spent their last money trying to go for this event, and they ended up not making any money. They did it overseas. Now guys, before you do that, do you have, well, it's not just an assumption. You can't just assume that, oh, they need this product there, who told you they need it? Have you received real orders for them? Do you have an invoice? Have you seen any? So you need to find out that people are really thirsty. You need to make sure that there's you to do your feasibility studies and be strategic about this thing, because business is not just for the faint-hearted. You have to be strong mentally. So please always make sure that there's a market for this product. That's why I mentioned that you should go and look for what is trending, what products are currently trending. You can search, the products that are most, that people are really in recent time. It's not just about what you want to sell. Oh, I just feel creating this product, I'm gonna sell it in post. It's not about what you want to sell. Customers want to buy. It's about fulfilling, meeting their needs. Just halfway, but meeting their needs. You're new, so you want to do everything within your capacity to grab their attention, to capture their hearts, the minds of your clients. So please avoid shiny object syndrome. Try to start small. There's always room for growth, and then you learn on your way to the top. Don't be a competitor. Don't compete to, like I said, have contacts on their phones, but they can't even reach out to these contacts to say, oh, I need X or I need Y, because all they are thinking of is how to use people. Do not be like that. Yes, you do not be like that. If you're really intentional about making money for yourself this year, you can truly do it. I promise you that. And I hope that with these 3 points of mine, I'll be able to convince you and not confuse you part of your home and leave that, 9-to-5 grind that is stealing your joy. I mean, some people enjoy, which is okay. And for some people, they've gotten to a point where, taking their sanity. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any questions for me, let me know. I have a giveaway for you guys in today's video. So yes, I'm giving away $100 and enter for my $100 cash gifts. We have finally launched our Telegram community, and we have launched our Telegram community. So all you need to do is add 50 friends into my Telegram channel. Yes, add 50 friends. Hello, you have 50. You have more than 50 friends. You can send it to your friends on Facebook, your most members, your colleagues at work, your colleagues in school. Go ahead and share with your family members and your enemies. Yes, so share it with your parapo members. You know what I mean? So go ahead and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these awesome, juicy opportunities I'm sharing with you guys on this channel on a daily basis. And if you're yet to introduce yourself, my God is watching you. Introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know your name, to where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you from the depths of my heart. And to all of my Patreon members, you guys, I see you. I don't know what I've done to deserve your love, but thank you. Thank you from the depths of my heart. God bless you real good. Thank you for all that you do. You guys are just amazing. The love is overwhelming. Thank you, and thank you so much from the depths of my heart. God, real good. So yes, if you have anything I said, go ahead and let me know in the comments. I will be more than happy every single one of the video. Share and tell a friend to start to apply all of these strategies today. And you're on your way to making money and living a life of abundance. Finally. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Take care.